Climate change is certainly one of the greatest concerns of our day. Reports of increased ozone-destructive emissions, rising global temperatures and ocean levels, and retreating Arctic ice have been a great cause of alarm for the future of animal life and humanity. The UAE itself has played a role in contributing to this problem, and we believe this project is a key innovative step locally to solving this problem globally. We need to collect information, accurate air quality measurements of emission types and levels. Only then can we make informed decisions, arrive at beneficial agreements, and implement effective policies. Our concept uses a drone that is mounted with air quality sensors for data collection. The drone communicates real-time 3D space coordinates and a video feed directly to the ground controller. Meanwhile, air quality sensor data is relayed to data storage in the cloud, which can be viewed in real time by an end user. Location data and emissions data can then be processed for further analysis. We present to you the Drones Project, a data retrieving opportunity for next generation environmental sustainability.
We proposed a novel system which collect air quality data for a given location in the 3D space. Sensors are mounted in the drone, and data collected from it is efficiently transmitted to storage and monitoring device. Knowledge of the pollutants and patterns in the air is taken into consideration in order to analyze a given situation. Data are stored in the storage for further analysis, and results shows the effectiveness of the proposed methodology.
To reach and accomplish our main object was to detect the gases in the air. And we used three sensors, which are MEQ3, MEQ7, MEQ135, which detect CO, CO2, H2, methane, propane, and smoke.
In this project, we face several challenges, especially in programming in C language. We try to overcome this problem by asking the expert in this field. Another challenge is calibration the sensors, because some sources for testing the calibration is not available. Some of them are dangerous or poisonous for us. Some items need lead time, which consume time to execute the project.
We mount our system on the drone. I am the one who is responsible for controlling the drone, so that I can fly it to any position that we need to collect the data from, simultaneously having the live view of the situation.
In summary, we need a system for air quality measurement.